Because once you know Pali, you know Abhidhamma. If you know Pali, you know Vinaya. If you know Pali, you know Suttas. If you know Pali language, you know Buddhism, Buddhist history, and philosophy, Abhidhamma, psychology, and everything.
Dutiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami. For the second time also I go to the Sangha as my refuge. And eventually you should be able to learn all of them by heart. Very easy. So one thing.
So Ananda Bodhi Bhikkhuni, and I'm originally from Wales, but I live in Washington State. I would live in Parayana Vihara, Washington State, little town called Port Townsend.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. I would really love to hear from different accents here. We have people from different countries, and why don't we try? Any volunteers who want to chant this?
I am Dr. Satish. I am Satish Dipankar. I am from India. I am a doctor by profession, and as an Indian Buddhist, I want to learn Pali because most of the Buddhist literature is available in Pali.
In Buddhism, we have lots and lots of numerical lists. The ones, twos, threes. You will see many numbers in Buddhism.
I, Ananda Bodhi, and Venerable Fatima and Venerable Silananda, and I'm very glad that we're doing this as a community practice and looking forward to.
When we learn Pali, even at a basic level, we begin to hear the Dhamma more directly. Understanding Pali helps us understand. This will help us actually understand suttas and chanting more deeply and reduce confusion caused by translations.